Here's today's Remy Quick Tech Tip TS-024. Today we're going to be talking about Land Rovers, specifically the 1998 to 2002 Range Rover and Discovery, as well as the 2002 Freelander. The symptom we're going to be discussing is when you have a no start or an intermittent electrical problem. The cause of this may simply be due to a broken battery clamp bolt on either the positive or negative cable clamp. So you already know the solution. Simply replace the battery clamp bolt and nut assembly with Land Rover part number YTJ000010. If you need more information than that, then you can refer to the Land Rover TSB number 860502 NAS. That's the Remy Quick Tech Tip, and it's another reason why your next starter alternator should be a Remy.